Hello guys, my name is Phineas and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell down below, like and share the video.
Check it out.
Today, we shall learn about birth control methods. Let's start by understanding what is contraception, also known as birth control. It's the deliberate use of artificial methods or other techniques to prevent pregnancy as a consequence of sexual intercourse. A woman can get pregnant if a man's sperm reaches one of her eggs, also known as ova, that is produced by ovaries. Birth control methods tries to stop this from happening by keeping the eggs and sperms apart, preventing egg production by ovaries, or preventing fertilized eggs from attaching to the mother's womb, a process known as implantation. Now, according to their mechanism of action, female contraceptives can be categorized into 5 main types. These include mechanical barriers, hormonal contraceptives, intrauterine device commonly known as IUCDs, female sterilization, emergency contraception. Let's talk about these methods in more details. The first category is mechanical barriers, which includes female condom, diaphragm, and the cervical cap. Female condom prevent pregnancy by acting as a barrier to the passage of semen in the vagina. Diaphragm prevents pregnancy by acting as a barrier to the passage of the semen into the cervix. Once in position, the diaphragm provides effective contraception for 6 hours. Cervical cap acts as a mechanical barrier for sperm migration into the cervical canal. The second category are the hormonal contraceptives, which prevents pregnancy through various mechanisms. Hormonal implants, contraceptive injection, oral contraceptive pills, and contraceptive patches belong to this group. Hormonal implants, commercially known as Implanon and Jadel, consists of non-biodegradable rod that prevents pregnancy by suppression of ovulation, thickening of the cervical mucus, prevention of endothelial growth and development. Contraceptive injections are composed of hormonal progestin. Depo-Provera is a well-known brand name for contraceptive injections. These injections work by inhibition of ovulation, thickening of cervical mucosa, and by preventing implantation. Oral contraceptive pills contain artificial versions of female hormones, estrogen and progesterone. The main mechanism of action of these pills is to suppress ovulation. Contraceptive patches release estrogen and progesterone directly into the skin and then into the bloodstream and prevents ovulation. The third category of artificial birth control methods is intrauterine device, which is a small T-shaped plastic and copper device that is put into your uterus by a healthcare professional. It protects you from getting pregnant for 5 to 10 years. It alters the cervical mucus, which makes it more difficult for sperm to reach the egg. It also prevents implantation of the fertilized eggs. The fourth category is female sterilization, which is a permanent surgical option to prevent pregnancy. What happens here is that a woman undergoes a minor surgery whereby the fallopian tubes are blocked or scaled to prevent the eggs from reaching the sperm and becoming fertilized. The last category are the emergency contraceptives, which is the use of emergency pills, which are commercially known as postnatal or P2, to prevent pregnancy after unprotected sexual intercourse. It is good to note that all these artificial birth control methods does not exempt you from acquiring sexually transmitted infections except proper use of condoms. That is all about female contraception. Hope you find this video interesting and helpful. Thanks for watching. See you to the next video.